Hello everyone, it's Gigi and welcome to my Saturday morning mix with Jill Norwood. This is episode 31, so I want to welcome you to my channel. I have quite a few cards I made and I want to share. And first, let me show you what I used for each one and then I'll share what I made. So first, I'll show the cards that were the most labor intensive for me. So I used these EK Tools decorative scissors, and I used this jaggedy edge one right here. And I haven't used those in forever. And then I used some twine, and this is from the Dollar Tree. I then used these, what are they called? Christmas cookies from Tim Holtz. So cute. I used these funky festive dies from Tim Holtz also, and I used this leaf right here, little pine tree. I then used several stencils. I used this one from the Hedgehog Hollow. It's called Snowy Days, and I used the snowflakes. I then used this one from Simple Stories called Holly Berries. And then I also used this one from scrapbook.com called Candy Stripe. Then I used this double stitched die that I got from Amazon. I used the sentiment from this stamp set that I just got, a Merry Christmas, and it doesn't have a name, so I'm not sure. Let's see, does it have a number somewhere? I'm not sure, guys, but I got it from Joann.com. And then next I used some Distress Mica stains. I used Tree Lot and I used Peppermint Stick. Then I also used some water in a spray bottle. I used some Distress Collage Medium. I used some Spectrum Noir Sparkle, which I put in a bottle to spray. And then I used some glitter, and here we go. I used some white glitter. So let me show you the cards I made. I made 4 with that. And I got the idea from Joann.com. They had sent me an email and they did some gift cards. And so I went with their idea, but I did my own little spin. So here was the first one. And I love the way these came out. My husband's already stole them to use for his, I don't know if you can see, but I made it shine on the inside also. So I did that one. And then I did the heart one. Oh, you know what else, guys? I also used some walnut stain. I don't know if I said that. For around the cookie, to make it get that like burnt look. And then I used the same sentiments. And then I used the snowflake. Same inside. And then I did a candy cane one with the candy cane stripe. And I think they turned out so cute. It took me 2 days to do them because I had to spray, let them dry, and all that kind of stuff. But I think they turned out so beautiful. I absolutely love them. So I hope you do too. Okay, next is my favorite one, I think. So I used this Pink Fresh Essentials diagonal stitched rectangle die that I just got from Joann. I used some Snow and Cocoa stickers, and they're these snowflakes. I use this Fa La La stickers for my sentiment. I used some glossy accents. I used some diamond stickles, and I used my Wink of Stella. I also used my black Jelly Roll pen. It's the glaze. I use this polka doodles that I just got in the mail called Gingerbread Love. And I used the girl in the sign. And like I said, I think this one is my favorite. And then I used the paper pad Busy Sidewalks, which is so pretty. And this is what I came up with. And I used Copics to color her up. I also used my chalks for her blush. I always use chalks for their blush. But I hope you like her. I love her. And on the inside it says, wishing you a Merry Christmas. So she was my favorite. And then I made this little cute card that was really fast. So I used some glitter cardstock and some foil cardstock from this Crafters Companion Luxury Cardstock Precious Metals. I used this stocking cover card die from My Creative Time. It is so cute. And then I used these cute card dies from My Creative Time. And then I used a sticker from the Stickabilities for my sentiment. And then I used one of these bow dies that I got from Allie. And this is what I came up with. I used some non-traditional colors. My husband wants me to do one in red, so I'll do that for him. And then there's the sentiment on the inside. And these are so cute. I ordered the envelope to go with this, so it'll be the perfect size. But really cute. And then for my last project, I use this Infinity Rectangle Dies by Hero Arts. I use this Primitive Angel die by Anna White. I love her. She is so pretty. I also use this Crazy Stitch die, which is also by Anna White. It's one of my beloved favorites. I use some 3D foam squares. I use some of this Tonic Studios Gold Hearted Mixed card pack. I used 2 golds from here. I also used the Spectrum Noir art liners for the eyes. I really like these. I used this beautiful paper from Bo Bunny called Christmas Treasures. It is so pretty. And then lastly, I used some gold glitter dust. And I made this angel here. I think she turned out super cute. And I left the inside blank. I haven't done a sentiment yet. Oh, and I used some vintage photo. And I got to craft last night with Dee, so I made a lot of this stuff with Dee, who is Elegant Embellishments here on YouTube. Hi, Dee. I loved crafting with her. We had such a good time, good talk. And so I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope y'all have a blessed Saturday and Sunday. Bye-bye.